Why are you involving a child in theft? Go to the store, put things in a cart, and then have a child push the cart outside. So you're basically making a child a criminal. Why are you doing that?
That was a bad choice. I wasn't thinking.
And it certainly doesn't excuse involving a 5-year-old in your criminal activity. Court is going to find you guilty. Court is going to send.
Okay, guys, this situation is rough. A mom is back in court after already being caught stealing 5 different times, and now she's facing a 6th charge. What makes it worse is she involved her friend's 5-year-old child to help with the theft at Target. The amount stolen was over $500, which means the charges are more serious. The judge is thinking about whether probation is possible, but honestly, with her past, it doesn't look likely. In many states, using a kid in a crime leads to much harsher punishment because it shows a pattern of bad choices. Do you think she should get another chance, or is it finally time she goes to jail? Let's see what happens.
You see the theft case applied for probation. There's one letter of support. I would like to submit support from her daughter.
Okay. All right. Who is the prosecutor on this case? Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Gearhan, Your Honor.
Defense?
Glenn Payne for defense.
And are you Miss Morales?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You entered a plea on August 14th. You entered a plea of guilty, applied for deferred adjudication. The state is asking that your punishment be assessed at 1 year in the state jail facility. They're remaining silent on your recommendations, and they're taking certain cases into consideration. Have both parties had a chance to review the PSI report?
Yeah, there actually wasn't a PSI created in this court. You asked to reset. We asked for the PSI to get the letter, then you just wanted to see the criminal history.
Yes. So is there criminal history available for the court? All right. The court has reviewed the criminal history. Defense, do you have any witnesses?
Judge, no witnesses. Like I said, we just have one support letter on behalf of Ms. Morales. It's her daughter, stating how she helped. That Ms. Morales helps take care of children, and she was working as a home health care. Also supplied money for the family. We're going to ask that the court grant her probation in this case, and let her continue support of her family.
All right, Ms. Morales, can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Elsa Mireles.
All right, why are you stealing?
That was a bad choice. I wasn't thinking.
Why are you involving a child in theft? Because it says that this was the MO. Go to the store, put things in a cart, and then have a child push the cart outside. So you're basically unwittingly making a child a criminal. Why are you doing that? I mean, your attorney was not there, so he can't answer this question. You did it. You took a child in Target, or as we say, Target. You took a child there, loaded things in a basket, and for that child to know to just push that cart towards all points of sale tells me that somebody told that child, this is what's going to go down. We're going to go in, we're going to put items in this cart, and you just keep pushing it. So why?
I have no words for that.
Yes. And how old was the child that you all involved in your criminal activity who now thinks it's okay to engage in criminal activity?
5 years old.
All right. So you took a 5-year-old. And what day of the week was this? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, what day?
I'm not sure.
Right. Was it a school day?
No, I'm not too sure.
All right. So you take this 5-year-old, walk me through it. So the 5-year-old is pushing the cart out, and obviously police are called, right?
Right.
And did they speak to the 5-year-old? What is the 5-year-old thinking? Do you know? I know somebody will probably object to speculation, but I just want to know, what was the 5-year-old doing when police are there? I'm assuming you all were placed in handcuffs.
I was already in the car. It was with his mother.
Mm-hmm. All right. So it was you and his mother who was stealing. Is that what you're saying?
We were already out, and the mom told him to leave it there, and he did it.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
Somebody else helped the little boy push it out.
All right, so someone helped the little boy push the cart out after you all were committing a theft from Target. And what items were you all taking?
It was stuff for the kids.
No. Don't put this on the children. What items were you taking?
Toys.
And what else?
It was clothing.
So you're teaching children that in order to get things, they should steal. That's what you're teaching.